Bluetooth, is it on? A quick guide to verify.
Hello, and welcome to our quick guide on checking whether your device's Bluetooth settings are turned on. Today, we'll go through the process step by step, making it simple and easy for anyone to follow. Let's get started.
How to check Bluetooth settings on an Android device.
Checking Bluetooth settings on an Android device is quite straightforward. Here's how. 1. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. 2. Look for the Bluetooth icon. If it's colored or highlighted, that means your Bluetooth is on. If it's not, tap on the Bluetooth icon to turn it on.
How to check Bluetooth settings on an iOS device.
For iPhone users, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Tap on Bluetooth. 3. If the toggle next to Bluetooth is green, then your Bluetooth is on. If not, tap the toggle to turn it on.
How to check Bluetooth settings on a Windows device.
For Windows users, the process is a bit different. Here's how you can check. 1. Go to the Start menu and click on the Settings gear icon. 2. Choose Devices. 3. Select Bluetooth and other devices from the left-hand menu. 4. If the toggle under Bluetooth is in the on position, your Bluetooth is on. If it's not, click the toggle to turn it on.
How to check Bluetooth settings on a macOS device.
Mac users, you're not left out. Follow these steps. 1. Click on the Apple menu at the top left corner of the screen. 2. Select System Preferences. 3. Click on Bluetooth. 4. If the status says Bluetooth on, your Bluetooth is on. If it says Bluetooth off, click Turn Bluetooth on to enable it. So, that's how you can check if your device's Bluetooth settings are turned on. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Remember, keeping your Bluetooth on only when necessary can help save battery life and increase your device's security. So, always double-check whether it's on or off. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next guide.